In this video, we'll take a quick overview of the SimplyBook.me scheduling and payments platform. Let's start by checking out an example of a booking page created using SimplyBook.me. This example showcases the business's Instagram posts and their Google reviews. Click Book Now, choose the location, category, and service, then select the desired date and time. This example also offers products for sale and gift cards. Now, let's take a look at how this is configured on the back end. All the settings are accessible through the menu on the left. We will focus on service and service provider management, working hours, and custom feature pages. The main schedule is configured in company opening hours. You can set the weekly availability and configure special dates if a date-specific schedule is required. Within the company's availability, services, classes, and service providers can have custom schedules. Booking slots will only be offered when both the service and the service provider are available. They can be configured from the Manage menu. There are numerous options. However, the most important tabs are as follows. Service details, where we can list the price and add the basic information. Time details, where we can specify the service duration. And service providers, where we can specify which providers can offer this service. As you can see, we can also configure the schedule here. Service providers are managed much like services. You will notice that some items have an Enable button next to them. This refers to custom feature functionality. All of these features can be found on the respective page. Use the tabs in the filter to sort out the features that you're interested in. Lastly, we have a separate page for all of our marketing tools, which are highly popular for all types of businesses. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.